I want to share this little tidbit about working on your own equipment, vehicles. For decades, I scrapped together whatever I could lay on, because I always had to use a set of ramps, and it generally ended up being pieces of cardboard when stuff was delivered. So I would say pieces of cardboard as they come in, and items ordered, items shipped to you. Just kind of put them back, because you knew the day was coming when you're going to change oil in your car, your truck, your tractor. 2 years ago, we went to a late model dirt race in Florence, Kentucky. The Florence Speedway. It's called the North-South 100. Went ahead and bought the pit passes and walked through it. And I'll show you what all the late model teams are using. Every single team had these nice black rubber foam mats that were a good size. They were called Champ mat. I'll show you them next. Well, there he is. It's the Champ mat. The Champ mat, it measures 48 inches by 32 inches. I think it's an inch or an inch a quarter thick foam. It's very comfortable. I don't dread working on anything now, on asphalt or on the gravel. I'll show you on working on the camper. It's parked on gravel. I'll show you what it does to the Champ mat. When I bought this, when I got back from the race, I went ahead and Googled Champ mat. Nobody had them. I don't recall any of the speed shops having them, so I bought it directly from Champ mat, and it was 60 bucks. Amazon has them now. They're less than 50 if you're a Prime member. I'm going to post a link in the description. It's a piece of equipment or a tool that you're going to have for a long time, probably for the rest of your life. I think the only way you would ever lose it is if somebody was to steal it. On the RV, I do a lot of work on gravel, and you don't pay any attention to the gravel surface when you're working. As long as you can get your body on that 48 inch by 32 inch mat, you're going to be comfortable. I went ahead and flipped it over. You can just see the gravel indentations on it. Well, not indentations, but the markings of the gravel. That's fresh gravel too, just delivered and spread out. Next spring, I've got some serious gray tank valve issues to work on. On my gray water tank, it's getting so stiff, it's all I can do to pull it open. So it's either going to have to be taken apart, lubed up, or cut out and have a new one installed. But the mat's going to shine on that little job. I really enjoy it. It's been a good purchase. It's the perfect size underneath a subcompact utility tractor. In this case, a John Deere 1025R. If you're wondering what the slots are cut out on the sides, those are just carrying handles. I went ahead and wrote top and top side on mine, just so I can get used to always laying down on the clean side. And as far as storage, inside my workshop, I just stand it up against the wall. How's that for storage? Everybody probably knows solid rubber can be quite heavy. This mat's definitely not heavy. I didn't weigh it, but it's nothing to pick up. Just want to show you how the softness of it is. I think it's got a lot of air built into it. It's like a rubber coated foam, but it sure feels good when you're laying on it and twisting and turning on it while you're working on your equipment and your vehicles. Thanks for watching.